Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I have partnered with Sally Hansen to create a Halloween nail look using the brand new Sally Hansen Dry Glow in the Dark polishes. I'm so excited. They are beautiful. I'm obsessed. You guys know I love the Dry line, and the nail look turned out super cute. So let's get started. Alrighty, so to start off this nail look, I'm using the brand new Sally Hansen Dry Glow in the Dark in the shade Glowing Night, which is the pinky shade. I love this color. It is my favorite out of the entire collection. I want to show you how it looks because it's more on the sheer side, but it is buildable. As you can see, I'm showing you the comparison between the colors if you had two coats and if you had only one. I decided to do two coats and it looks stunning as it is, and again it does glow in the dark and has the most beautiful little particles of glitter, and I'm obsessed with it, totally obsessed with it. And then I'm gonna complement it with the Sally Hansen Dry nail color in the shade Black to Black. I'm using this to create little spiders. Basically the inspiration for this were two plastic spiders that I had in my house, like legit. So the way you do this is two circles, a smaller one and a bigger one, and then you start doing little legs. You can do this as big or as thin as you like, it doesn't really matter. So just focus on doing some legs going upwards and some going downwards. And then I did some random dots to mimic as if it was like the spider, you know, eggs or babies. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of fun. Oh, there's the mommy spider there. I had a lot of fun creating this nail look for you guys. Thank you so much, Sally Hansen, for partnering with me. Don't forget to check the description box for all the products, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Halloween. Bye.